Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chris from Guns, Gears, and Gadgets. Today I'm going to be doing my 2000 round review of the Kel Tec Sub 2000. I'm going to show you how to break it down quickly. A couple of upgrades I made. Most of them are quality of life. One I would say is probably pretty necessary. Then I'm going to be testing it for accuracy at probably 25-50 yards, reliability. We're at over 2,000 rounds, probably pushing over 2,200 by now. So I'm going to break down the gun and show you a couple things I did to it, none of which affect its reliability or performance. These are mostly quality of life improvements. Most people know the Kel Tec Sub 2000 is a folding gun, what they call a backpack gun. I've got my 15 round Glock magazine because it does take Glock magazines. I have a Romeo 7 red dot sight on here. I have just a basic cheap light with a laser on it from amazing website. I did add an extended magazine release just to make it easier for my thumb to reach over, and then I put a rubber butt plate on here just because, for those of you who don't know, it's a direct blowback gun and has a little bit more recoil than you would think that a 9mm would. One worthwhile upgrade I did, I put an extended charging handle on there, and I'm going to pop this pin off and show you how to put it on right quick. Now, it's very important when you are doing anything with the Kel Tec that you need to make sure the gun is actually cocked, empty of course, and on safe. So pull it back, put it on safe so you accidentally don't depress the trigger. I found the easiest way was to get a wooden spatula with a handle about that wide. You can use a wooden dowel or a screwdriver, but they keep sliding off. Push it in there and flatten it back down, because you can't put the bolt back in unless it's cocked. It will not go back in. So you want to take your finger, press this pin in. You're gonna have to wiggle it out. It doesn't matter which side you pull it from. It does help to have something to push it out with. All right, that's going to take the rear off. So this charging handle will pull right out. It's what they call a toolless charging handle. It's actually locked in place by the pressure. Your bolt will slide out. And you can see right in there is where you'd have to push it to recock the gun. I made sure this time to remember to put it on safe so I don't accidentally depress the trigger. To put it back in, it's always a pain in the butt to get this lined up exactly. It's more luck, at least for me anyway. And just like that, it drops right in. You just have to get lucky, basically. So anyway, your charging handle will go in like that. I put a double wash in here. Not recommending that, but I put a double buffer washer in just because it controlled the ejection pattern a little bit better. and it slowed down the recoil a little bit. So this little pin right here needs to go in this charging handle right here. So you want it to be straight. Put the charging handle down, try to push this in straight, push it in. Okay, now I got it. It's locked in place. Now you just have to get your buttstock, line it up, and you're going to want to push it down. And you're back in business.